I'm Brian Icenhower, and welcome to our Agent Financials course. You are just going to absolutely love this course. It's one of my favorites, although it's not necessarily the most exciting topic to the general public. So congratulations on being here, because this is where the successful real estate professionals always find themselves. And I think many of you know at Icenhower Coaching Consulting, we coach many of the highest producing agents, teams, and broker manager owners across the country. And one thing that successful leaders know is that it's not all about offense. Sometimes you got to play defense too. And in this case, good defense represents knowing your economic and financial systems, not just focusing all your efforts on marketing and getting new business. It's also managing your business. So to ensure that it's about profitability. Do you run a profitable business? Because it's profitable business that enable you to grow and successfully increase your income while also preserving an adequate amount of life balance as well too. So it's crucial to understand an agent's financial sources. So we're going to talk about how to manage your financials, right? How to manage your bank accounts, how to work with accountants, how to work with your bank in particular. We're going to actually move into what a successful real estate budget should look like for you, depending on your current business situation, and how that budget should change and evolve as your business grows to new production levels over time, and where we should be spending our money and where we can expect money to come in from over the course of that time, when you should be hiring, when you should be bringing on new agents, where you should be spending your marketing dollars, how much you should be spending on marketing, and every other expense you should have. And then finally, we're going to learn how to use and analyze a profit and loss statement and how that should be managed for you, how to look at a profit and loss, and how to work with it and compare it to your budget so you can analyze your current business situation. That way we know that we're actually business planning ahead of time, we're planning ahead for taxes. And I know this seems complex and it does not sound exciting to most of you, but trust me, it is actually a lot more simple and easy and even more motivating than you're thinking right now. This is actually not a long course. We're talking about very short 20-25 minute modules, and not a whole lot of them either. So you'll be through this course very quickly. I think we've done the best job I've seen at trying to take a very complex topic and making it as simple as possible. Not just simple to learn and understand, but even more simple to implement and continue to implement over time within your business. I think you're going to find this is a lot easier topic to breach than you thought. So welcome. And I assure you, you're in the right place. Now enjoy our course, Agent Financials.